Hello everyone. Today is the 12th September 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Balera and today's our topic is SQL. The SQL is basically the query language and it is a database language. The SQL used to perform the operation of a record store the database in such a store the database such updating records, inserting records and deleting the records, creating and modifying the tables of database and view of database and in simple meaning the manipulating the database we can use the SQL language. SQL is a not a database system. It is a query based language. Suppose you want to perform the query of SQL language, then in on the store data in the database, you are required to install the database management system in your database management system in your system. There are some management the database management system is Oracle, MySQL, in my one of these MongoDB, and SQL Server is also used. But then next is discuss the what is the SQL. SQL is a short form of a structured query language, and it promotes as a SQL. This database language is mainly designed for maintaining the data in relational database management system. It is a special tools used by the professionals for handling the data structure. Structure data means the which the does which is store does data is store which is stored in the form of tables, and in the table uh, there are columns and rows. The one row is the in the table one row is one object in the database. It is also designed for stream processing. You can easily manipulate the database, access and modify the database of row and column. This query language is become standard ANSI in year of 1986 and ISO in 1987. And there are some reason to nowadays SQL is widely used. There are some reason we discuss the one by one. The basic use of SQL for the data professional of SQL used to data professionals. The basic use of SQL is data professionals and SQL users to insert, update, and delete data from the relational database. SQL are allows to perform and SQL allows to professionals and users to retrieve the data from the relational database management system. Means the professionals and users are manipulate the data of the database. It is also help them to describe the data structure, and SQL are user it allowed SQL is allowed to the users to create, drop, or manipulate the database and its tables. Then next is a SQL is also help to creating the creating the views, creating the tables, and store the storage procedure and functions in the relational database. It allows you to define the modifying the structure of a stored data in relational database. The next is the process of SQL. Let's discuss the process of SQL. There are some components used in uh, uh, professional of SQL, structure of SQL query language. There are some contents. First is a query dispatcher, optimizer engine, class query engine, and SQL query engine. That's all about the SQL. Thank you.